In the previous video, we created the components we need for the ball bearing assembly. So we're going to go ahead and create the final assembly. So create a new assembly file this time, and this will be the SolidWorks assembly workspace. Since I've already opened the parts here, you can see they appear in this menu. So you just click on the parts and then move your cursor into the space to bring them, or close it, come to insert components, and then browse. When you click on browse, you can go to the folder you saved your parts and then start adding them from there. Since I have my parts here, I'll add the first one, which will be the outer race. Click to release it into the workspace. By default, when you insert the first component, it is fixed. So click on it, it cannot be moved. Right click and then float. And now when you click on it, you can move it. Now we have to fix it in the workspace, which is the best thing to do. So come to mates, and then under standard mates, the origin of the workspace, and then the origin of the outer race itself. Now align axis so that it becomes fixed in the workspace. Insert the second component, which will be the ball. Now I'll move the ball inside here. And then bring it inside here as well. And meets, under standard meets, click on the ball and then this pathway. Okay. Now you can see it moves in the pathway only. That is why I positioned the ball inside the pathway before I added the meat. So take note of that. Now insert the third component, which is the inner race. I'm going to rotate about the y-axis so that it can be in this orientation to fit inside. And then meet, standard meets, click on this face and then this circular face. This face and this face should meet. Okay. And then finally, we want to make sure that any rotational motion that will be given to the inner race will apply to the ball. So lock the inner race and the ball. Okay. Now click on the inner race. You can see when you rotate, the ball also rotates. Now we want to have 8 balls in total. So circular components pattern, components pattern, click on the ball. Okay, so click on the ball. Direction, we need a circular face, so need 8 number of balls, equal spacing, 360 degrees. Come down and check this, and okay. Now when you rotate, you can see the balls rotating. Give it a trimetric view and you can see it clearly now. So here we've created the final assembly of the ball bearing with SolidWorks. I'll save it, rebuild and save the document. This is the final assembly. Make sure you save it in the same folder. And in the third and final video, we'll add the motion steady to this inner race so that they move as they do in real world applications. So I'll see you in the next part.